Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So, have you ever been on a long flight, driving through a tunnel or hiking in an area with zero cell service, and suddenly your music stops? It's kinda like a bad feeling, right? But it doesn't have to be that way. Amazon Music has an offline mode that lets you listen to your downloaded music without using any data or or even needing an internet connection. It's kinda perfect for travel, saving battery and avoiding those awkward silent gaps. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to enable offline mode in Amazon Music app. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, we want to access our Amazon Music app on our iPhone or Android, depending on your device. Then go through the settings or the icon, usually in the top right corner. Scroll down to the playback section. Look for a toggle labeled offline mode or sometimes streaming only on Wi-Fi, but we want to the one specifically for offline. So all we're gonna do is tap it to turn it on. When you enable offline mode, the app will immediately stop trying to stream music. You will only be able to play songs, playlists, and albums that you have already downloaded to your device. Any music not downloaded will be grayed out or even unavailable. You also have this optional feature while you are in settings. Also enable play downloads first. This ensures that even if you have a connection, the app plays downloaded songs instead of streaming. It saves both data and battery, and that's what we actually want. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.